guys, and welcome back to another Ipsy unboxing. This one is for the December Ipsy just base glam bag, and it is this weird fuzzy texture, kind of like a Goon's teddy bear, but it's pink. It just has like a maroon strap. It's supposed to like evoke warm, fuzzy feelings by being fuzzy. It's kind of niche, but at the same time, it's kind of cool. I feel like I had a jacket once that like the lining of like the hood was like this or something. Not this color though. But anyway, I digress. So we're gonna dive right into the stuff in here. Let's get the stuff out of the envelope too. Because not everything fit in the bag this time. Okay. So, oh look, a peace sign. I see you, Ringo. It's right next to a star. So anyway, home for the holidays. It's where the heart and fun is. Rock those festive playlists, don a red lip, indulge in what you love, with who you love. It's what the holidays are all about. We would, except we're in COVID times, so we weren't able to do that. New for 2021, introducing Glam Bag X. Level up your Glam Bag to Glam Bag X, a quarterly limited edition drop of 7 to 8 full-size products worth up to $350. 3 choose, curated by beauty's biggest celebs. Snag February's bag before it sells out. Exclusive drops with Glam Bag... Oh shit, today's like choice day, isn't it? I should definitely do that. Anyway, exclusive drops with Glam Bag X, U equals Total Beauty VIP. Score early access to the hottest products and launches. Expert curation. Up your artistry with pro fave brands selected by Glam Bag X's debut collaborator, celebrity makeup artist Patrick Ta. Extra U. Your exclusive set is picked just for you, and you even get to choose three of your full-size faves yourself. Basically, it's what they're replacing Glam Bag Ultimate with. Just so you know. So. Anyways, so joy to your world. Let the merriment begin with your 5 new Glam Bag products valued at $50+. Wow, I can talk. Really, I know how to read, I swear. So, first we have the Creme Shop Holiday Sheet Mask Duo, a snowman's story, and Dear Diary. The Dear Diary one is a collagen and berry plumping and moisturizing essence sheet mask. So cute. And then a snowman's story back here. Hyaluronic acid, plus glycerin, plus Jeju mineral water. The most hydration essence sheet mask. Basically, they both sound freaking amazing. They value for $3 a mask. I may need to get more from the Creme Shop, just saying. What better time than winter to throw on a sheet mask, sip some cocoa, and let your skin soak up moisture-boosting ingredients? I do that year-round, but okay. This holiday-inspired duo contains 2 super hydrating, glow-boosting sheet masks to satisfy everything your skin craves. Tip, take the remaining essence from your sheet mask and massage it on your neck and chest. No shit, Sherlock. We all do that. But anyway, very excited for those. I was so stoked when I saw that was a possibility and I actually got them. I'm so happy. Next we have a lip balm, which always makes me happy. This one retails for $7 frickin' dollars. What? This is by a brand called Preventative Measures 101. I've never heard of them before, but okay. After Hours Lip Balm in Passion Fruit. Oh, okay. Alright, I haven't seen Passion Fruit pop up a lot lately, but okay, go off. Say goodbye to endless lip balm reapplications. This is made with moisture release technology. Ooh, no wonder it's $7. Meaning your lips will not only feel smooth and hydrated right when you apply, but they'll stay that way for hours. Tip, swipe on a thick coat before bed and let the balm get to work while you snooze. Seriously, if you don't do that, you need to do that because that is like crucial to getting it to work right with like any lip balm. You're welcome if you weren't already doing that. But I think most of us already were. Ooh, what do we have here? This is the Sugar Cosmetics Matte as Hell. Oh my god, that's awesome. Matte as Hell Lip Crayon in Viola. Ooh. Full size of this is $20.99. This is like the deluxe sample size, but that's okay. It still lasts plenty long. A pair of oversized glasses plus a swipe of this rosy lip crayon equals your 2-second beauty look. Honestly, yeah, that sounds like about my speed. It coats lips in an intense rose color that stays fresh from your morning coffee to evening cocktails. Oh, I hope so. And the matte texture, it'll never crack, flake, or dry out your lips. Promise! Tip, apply 1 coat to bare lips, blot with a tissue, and repeat. See, it's not just me who does it that way. That's how you lock in the color. Just saying. Those of you who are like, oh my god, you use way too much. No, that's how you lock it. Anyway. This is the Benefit Cosmetics Precisely My Brow Eyebrow Pencil in 4.5. Let's see here. This is the deluxe sample size. The full-size version is $24. Can't imagine the full-size version being much bigger than that. That feels like it'd be almost full-size, but okay, whatever. That's cool. Getting your best brows ever has never been easier. Use this multitasking pencil to create long horizontal strokes to shape your brows and short upward strokes to fill them in. Thanks to a custom control grip and an ultra-fine tip, you'll get precise hair-like lines every single time. Tip, fill and define using short hair-like strokes and use a spoolie brush to blend in fluff. Again, I really need to take the time to play with these because my eyebrows, they need help. They need help. Let's see, is this the last thing in here? Yeah, okay. This I was like really, actually, surprisingly, despite everything else that's in here, this was my choice item. Yeah, I know, crazy. You thought it would have been any one of the other ones pretty much, except maybe the brown one. No, this was the one that was my choice item this time. This is the Murad Essential C Cleanser. I loved their acne one so much to where I was like, sure, I'll try a different cleanser from them. I'm down. Plus, vitamin C stuff is always good for the skin. So, this is the deluxe sample size. Full size is $40. And that is the main reason why I was like, I will take this as my choice item because I'm not paying for the full size of this. This is not happening, but I'll take what I can get from Ipsy. So, this isn't any old face wash. Not only does it remove makeup and purify skin, it's also infused with antioxidant-rich vitamins A, C, and E that help protect against free radical damage and environmental aggressors. Bonus, the citrusy scent is so invigorating on sleepy mornings. That. Tip, splash your skin with cool water after cleansing to help close pores and keep dirt out. Not gonna lie, I always forget that step. I really need to start doing that, but I always forget that step. So, anyway, that's what I got in my base, just regular December Ipsy Glam bag this past year, so, for 2020. I should say past month, that's only January right now. Hey, I'm actually almost caught up. Shut the hell up. Although by the time this uploads, it'll probably be like April. But anyways, that's it for this one, so you know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload. Leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my Etsy, everything and more. No, not the Etsy. Not the Etsy. Everything and more, it's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Get your name on the end card for a month from the time of donating. And also, if you're an Ipsy member, what did you get in December? I'd like to know. Anyways, see you guys next time. Bye-bye.